Hey, what's up? Alright, so today I'm going to change the valve cover gasket. This is for a 2005 Camry, 4-cylinder. As you can see, there's some leakage, oil leakage. So I got this gasket here from the Toyota dealer. It was for $21. You know, the guy there at the counter, he said that you don't need to use what are those things, the RTS or whatever that thing is to make the gasket. So he said just to put this on and be all set. So I have not done it for this car before. So alright, let's get moving. So looks like I'm gonna have to remove all these spark plug. No, what are they? Ignition coils. Yeah, and as you can see, when I bought the car, somehow these clips are broken. So you know, I just gotta, I guess, put them back and tape them up the way before. So I got them all there. That's for the first. The first cylinder, second, and then I'm just gonna, and so forth. Alright, so looks like I'm gonna take this hose off, and this one. I think that's pretty much it, and then just unscrewing these. So yeah, so for these hoses, this one here, I got just gotta wiggle them out. So I guess I'll take those bolts, and these bolts are all around, and yeah, hopefully the cover will come out. So you can see I got that nut off, that bolt off. Now it's this nut. And then this bolt. Anyways, two hands better than one. Alright, so you see I got, I think, all of the bolts out. And I got my bolts here. These are the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the back. And this valve cover, the front bolts and nuts there, but I don't know why it's not coming out. Maybe I need to wiggle it a little bit more. Let's see. Alright, so it was a little stuck, so I just put a little screwdriver here and wiggle this up, and another part here, push this up, so hopefully it will come off. So it seems like this area here is kind of tight, so I just released these little plastic clips here. I just stick a screwdriver, a little flat screwdriver there, push it to the side, and just pull it out from a little screw there. So alright, it was still a little stuck, but I guess I have to do the same thing, which is just to push it up on this the area sticking up here. Just push it down. Yeah, just push that down to bring it up. And I'm going to do this side here. So this area, this piece right here. Find some clearing for that. Just push it up. Just to loosen, there you go. So I'm just trying to pull it up now. Alright, so after a little bit of wiggling, it's stuff here is so this is why I need to change out this here. This is so dry and hard it even broke off, and I see it here. Also this piece here. So yeah, I guess the engine is pretty brown, but it's okay. Yeah, this car has 224, almost 225,000 miles. So yeah, I guess it looks fine to me. I got people mowing here. Well, I just took off the old gasket, but it's hard and it broke off this piece. The other piece is on the top there. It's on the top engine there, but yeah. So yeah, I got the original gasket. I try to keep it original because it fits better. My experience with aftermarket gaskets is that they don't fit well. The last time I did fuel injector gasket replacement, I bought from AutoZone and they just didn't fit. I went back like 4 or 5 times, they didn't fit at all, and I was frustrated. Then I went to the dealer to get the original part. They fit just nicely, and I didn't even have to struggle or anything. So yeah, if you can get to to get an original part and it's not too expensive, you should. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean this a little and up there, and then I'll put the new gasket on. Just spray some WD-40. It says safe on engine, so spray some WD-40. Just gonna wipe it. I did a little bit on the inside already. Yeah, just cleaning it, And since I have it out here, I don't know when the next time I'll be back in there, so just clean it nice. I cleaned this here. I took off all the old gasket that was sticking to here. So I clean all around here. It's pretty clean. Where the gasket will go. I just wipe them down with a rag and some WD-40. So here it is. I put the new gasket on. It's all clean, and I'm about to just put the cover back on and put all the screws back where they go, and that should pretty much be it.